So this is what they don't tell you about when you start your own YouTube channel, and I think you'll find this funny, or you'll at least feel sorry for me. So I had a great day planned, had 3 YouTube videos planned. One was a review of another local independent coffee shop which I wanted to go to. The other I actually managed to do, and that's a 99p filter coffee review at Pret, because I think that's a bargain. And the other was trying the Marks & Spencer's strawberry sandwich. So let's start off with the independent coffee review that I did. I didn't realise, but I'd been to Wetherspoons just before that, and I'd managed to get the chocolate from Hot Chocolate, all over my nose. So I literally filmed all the footage of the independent coffee shop, which was lovely, by the way, with bloody chocolate all over my nose. So I couldn't use that footage. So I kind of scrapped that idea, but thought, right, well, we're fine. We've got 2 other videos which I filmed. The next was the Marks & Spencer's strawberry sandwich, should you try it. So I brought it, ate it, filmed it all. Really, really happy with the footage. Anyway, I spent all afternoon working on it, and it looked really good. I got a really good edit. So I put that on one side thinking, right, that's it, job's done. Move on to the final video, which is the 99p filter coffee video, which you'll see it's up now. It's only a 2-minute thing, and to be honest with you, it's a bit crap compared to the other 2. But what actually happened is when I exported the Pret video from Final Cut Pro, it kept looking really, really washed out. So it took me about 6 goes to get the colour in the project matching the export. And I was deleting all these exports, which kept coming out. And there's not much room on my MacBook, so I kept deleting the videos. And I accidentally deleted the strawberry sandwich video. And by that point, I'd already, because I was happy with the final edit, I'd already deleted the original footage. So, to recap, my great day, which I've spent all day trying to film these YouTube videos, it's ended in a really good video, which I thought was really happy, the Marks & Spencer strawberry sandwich video being deleted. The independent coffee shop review, I can't publish because I've got chocolate all over my face like an absolute nutter. And the only thing I've got left to publish now is my 2-minute Pret video, which is probably the worst of the lot. So this is what they don't tell you when you try to start your own YouTube channel. You will have days when you absolutely mess up. But I've got to keep going. I want to do it. And I want it to be successful. So I'm going to put today behind me. And I'm just going to keep soldiering on. Yeah, so I just want to share my frustration and just my sheer absolute stupidity, so you can all have a laugh at me, and also go check out the filter coffee video. It's a bit rubbish, actually. See, this is another thing. Why I should have done with that video is I should have brought an Americano and the filter coffee, and I should have compared them. But what did I do? I just brought the filter coffee and talked about how good it was. God, I'm such a bellend. Such a bellend. Anyway, I'll keep going. Thanks for following me anyway. I hope your day's going better than mine. Take it easy.